Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture. We have already completed the 4 lecture. Okay, यानी 100 क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड एयर कंडीशनिंग का. Okay, this is the 101 question. Which of the following is a component of the vapor compression refrigeration cycle? A turbine, B boiler, C expansion valve, D nozzle. C expansion valve. Question number 101. The ambient air temperature is 27 degrees centigrade and a domestic food freezer maintains a temperature minus 23 degrees centigrade. The heat leaks into the refrigerator at the continuous rate 2.5 kilojoule per second. Then determine the least power necessary to pump this heat out continuously. तो इसे सॉल्व करने का लिए पहले एफिशिएंसी बेर करो. जो एफिशिएंसी है, एफिशिएंसी क्या होता है रेफ्रिजरेशन का? लोअर टेम्परेचर बाई हायर टेम्परेचर माइनस लोअर टेम्परेचर. लोअर टेम्परेचर कितना है? -23, यानी -23 प्लस 273 यानी 250 डिवाइडेड बाई 27 डिग्री यानी 300 माइनस 250 यानी 250 डिवाइडेड बाई 50 यानी 5. सो एफिशिएंसी यानी 5. डिजायर्ड है हम लोगों का 2.5 को लिस्ट को फिलअप करना होगा. ठीक है, तो डिजायर्ड है 2.5 एंड कितना वर्क देना होगा? वर्क इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 2.5 डिवाइडेड बाई 5. सो आ रहा है 0.5. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. Question number 103. The performance of the refrigeration system is measured in which unit? Power consumption, B efficiency, C COP, D none of the above. COP, coefficient of the performance. Question number 104. Simple air cooling system is good for dash aircraft speed, high, low, medium, none of the above. लो. हाई के लिए यूज हाई के लिए यूज होता है बूट स्ट्रैप एयर कूलिंग रेफ्रिजरेशन सिस्टम एंड जो सुपरसोनिक होता है उसके लिए यूज होता है सुपर हीटेड एयर कूलिंग सिस्टम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 105. ए बूट स्ट्रैप एयर कूलिंग सिस्टम हैज 1 heat exchanger, 3 heat exchanger, 2 heat exchanger, D 4 heat exchanger, 2 heat exchanger. Question answer C. Question number 106. In a bootstrap air evaporative cooling system, the evaporator is provided between the combustion chamber and the fast heat exchanger. B. Between the fast heat exchanger and the secondary compressor. C. Between the secondary compressor and the secondary heat exchanger. D. Between the second heat exchanger and the cooling turbine. Option D. Between the second heat exchanger and the cooling turbine. Next question. The COP of a Carnot refrigeration is in the winter will be dash as compared to COP in the summer is higher. C higher. Electrolux refrigerator has the one working fluid. B 3 working fluid. C 2 working fluid. D 4 working fluid. B 3 working fluid. Question number 109. Identify the incorrect statement from the following options. Conventionally, in the domestic refrigerator coils tubes at its back carry chilled water, carry refrigerant fluid. C. Survive as the condenser. D. Reject heat to the atmosphere. Option A is the wrong. They do not carry chilled water. Question number 110. Identify the incorrect statement from the following option. An air refrigeration cycle. A. Heat rejection and the heat removal from the cooled space are constant volume process. B. Is used for the air conditioning in airplanes. C. Operates on the reversed Brayton cycle. D. Employs air as the refrigerant. A is the wrong. The constant होता है. Question number 111. In a refrigeration plant, in a direct expansion evaporation, A. There is a coil with a smooth surface inside for the refrigerant evaporation. B. There is no need of the throttling device. C. Liquid refrigerant evaporators outside the tubes in a cell and tube heat exchanger. D. The refrigerant evaporator is a vent coil which cools air and the liquid flowing across it. D. The refrigerant evaporators in a vent coil which coils air or liquid flowing across it. Next question: an ideal refrigerator maintains a temperature minus 233 degrees centigrade, which placed in the inside room 27 degrees centigrade. Heat infiltration refrigerator 0.5 kilojoule per second. The power required by the pump. Efficiency efficiency कितना है COP equal to desired effect lower temperature minus 23 plus 273 यानी 250 divided by 327 degree and 300 minus 250 यानी 50. So COP is the 5. COP is 5. So COP is the 5. um, COP is the 5 equal to desired effect. desired effect is the 0.5. कितना वर्क देना होगा वर्क यानी वर्क इक्वल टू 0.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 0.1 kilowatt. Option A is the right. Question number 113. A vapor compression refrigeration cycle with subcooling is shown in the figure along with the refrigerant enthalpy. The specific heat of the liquid refrigerant 5 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. What is the coefficient of the performance of the cycle? इसका एंथैल्पी दिया हुआ है, इसका भी है, इसका भी. H4 लगेगा. H4 कैसे निकालोगे? H4 एंथैल्पी H4 इक्वल टू H3 माइनस MC डेल्टा T. MC डेल्टा T मास 1 डेल्टा T यानी 5 इंटू T. MC C यानी स्पेसिफिक हीट 5 H3 है 87 माइनस 25. ओके प्लेस नहीं है. सो फिर से करेंगे 87 माइनस 25 करोगे तो H4 आ रहा है. H4 यानी 87 माइनस 25 62. Okay, this is 62. So we know that the COP is the desired effect यानी H1 minus H4 by वर्क दिया हुआ है H2 minus H1 करोगे तो आएगा. इस फॉर्मूला में यूज करो. ठीक है, मैं फॉर्मूला में डायरेक्ट बैठा रहा हूँ. H1 माइनस H4 220 माइनस आया था 67 तो सॉरी 62 डिवाइडेड बाय 257 माइनस 220 इसको करके देखना कितना आ रहा है। 4.3 आ रहा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 115, question number 114, the relation between the COP and the heat pump and the COP of the refrigerator. COP of the heat pump equal to 1 plus COP of the refrigerator. Option B is the right. Question number 115, which of the following device controls the refrigerant flow in a refrigeration system as per the heat loaded on the evaporator? A. Condenser, B. Evaporator, C. Compressor, D. Expansion valve. D. Expansion valve. Question number 116. The compression of the vapor is carried out by an ejector in which of the following refrigeration system? Vapor absorption refrigeration system, B. Vapor compression refrigeration system, C. Vapor jet refrigeration system, D. Air cycle refrigeration system. C. Vapor jet refrigeration cycle. Question number 117. Electrolux system of the refrigerant has only one liquid pump, only three liquid pump, no liquid pump, only two liquid pump. Electrolux flux three there is no liquid pump. Okay. Commercial ice plant works on A. Vapor compression cycle, B. Plus the refrigeration, C. Vapor absorption cycle, D. Vortex tube. A. Vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Question number 119. The vapor compression refrigeration system, the heat is absorbed from the environment to be cooled by evaporator, B. Condenser, C. Compressor, D. Throttle valve. Absorbed from the environment by the evaporator. Question number 120. A condenser is used in the dash pressure side of a refrigerating. Low, high, medium, noise, none of these. Condenser is added in the high pressure side. The VCR vapor compression refrigeration cycle has the two-phase change process, four-phase change process, one-phase change process, three-phase change process, four-phase change process. Compression, then condensation, throttling, evaporation. The superheating in a refrigeration cycle does not alter COP, increase COP, decrease COP, none of these. B. Increase COP. Sorry friends, none of these because there is a superheating. Okay, सुपरहीट करोगे तो ऐसा होगा सुपरहीट. ओके, सुपरहीट करने से क्या हो रहा है? रेफ्रिजरेशन इफेक्ट बाय हीट इनपुट, वर्क इनपुट बढ़ रहा है एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन इफेक्ट भी बढ़ रहा है. ये भी बढ़ा है, ये भी बढ़ा है, so we cannot say that the increase or the decrease. Question number 123. The capillary tube is not used in the large capacity refrigeration system because A. Cost is too high, B. Required the pressure drop cannot be achieved, it is made of the copper, D. Capacity control is not possible. D. Capacity control is not possible. Next question. The temperature of ammonia after the compression in a vapor compression system is 20 to 50 degrees centigrade, 50 to 70 degrees, 70 to 110 degrees centigrade, none of the above. 70 to 110 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ओके, इसको नोट करके रखना, डेटा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 125. इन ए रेफ्रिजरेटिंग मशीन हीट रिजेक्टेड इज डैश हीट एब्जॉर्ब्ड इक्वल टू लेस देन ग्रेटर देन नन ऑफ दिस अबव. सी ग्रेटर देन. 125 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट. पहला लेक्चर देखने के लिए प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए कि हम लोग 1000 MCQ कंप्लीट करेंगे एवरी चैप्टर एवरी सब्जेक्ट में. ओके, थैंक यू.